So there's been a pretty sizable update regarding AI and webtoons in the Korean webtoon industry. Just today, December 24th, Korea's Ministry of Science and ICT had a briefing session about the framework of artificial intelligence legislation that was passed earlier on in the year. Now, this legislation gets put into effect starting January. And at this briefing session, they gave a very specific example about Naver's AI coloring tool that they have on the internet right now. Now, you can go test it out right now. There's line art, and you use AI to color the illustration that you have. And the example that they had said was Naver, as a developer and as a service provider, essentially, who's providing a service to an end user, has to mark everything that comes out of their system as having been done by AI by a watermark. But that end user is by no means required legally to disclose the fact that they used an AI system or an AI tool to produce that artwork. So what that means is companies in Korea, when they offer AI services, anything that comes out of that service has to be watermarked and say that it's AI. But when users turn around and decide to upload that to other services, like let's say Naver Webtoon itself, by publishing a Webtoon, they are not legally required to disclose the fact that they used an AI tool to create it. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that Naver themselves can't come up with their own rules regarding how AI is supposed to be marked, or, whether or not they have to disclose it to publish on their site. But specifically speaking, there is no legal requirement of it right now. Now, this is just a framework. This isn't actual laws, or this isn't anything that's going to actually have rules as to how AI is supposed to be used in Korea. Right now, Korea is trying to go as hands-off as possible and just kind of let the market figure things out first before they start instituting actual requirements of how AI can and cannot be used. But it does, in theory, allow for the publication of AI webtoons without disclosing that to the public.